Hello guys, what a beautiful day we have today in Eric's Auto Styling. We got Ford RS Sierra Cosworth, okay, in the studio. And what we did so far, we did decontamination, but we went super gently on this beautiful Ford Sierra because it's really old, okay? So what we did, liquid clay bar, not even clay bar, liquid clay bar, and then we done snow foam, and then just safe bucket wash. Only what we did with this car. In terms of the paintwork, what we're going to do, you see, is aging, and we got bit of dead old skin, which is absolutely normal on this age of the car, and we got swells, miring, and scratches once again. But what we're going to do, medium cut, not even heavy, medium cut, and refine the paint once again and bring it back gloss, shine. In terms of badges, you see how dullish they are, so we're going to definitely polish those, and small little details, okay? Definitely we go 1.5 inch, for example, polisher for this fans, for the engine, and bit by bit polish the car, whole car. If we see any micro defects, once again here on the spoiler, we get little dots, okay? They stain in the paint, it's really flat, so we're going to bring it back, gloss, shine, and preserve it with a ceramic coating. A stunning car, certain age, obviously it's 80s. In terms of inside, we do just basic, I would say, hover, steam, and once again preserve it. The doors, hinges, and panels. So really looking forwards to working on this beautiful classic, and hope you like the video, hope you will enjoy it, and see you in the next one, and see you with definitely with a much bigger improvement in terms of gloss, shine, and ceramic coating to preserve it. So we go with medium part, S20 Schult, first step compounder, okay? Really gentle, couple of passes, see what's the improvement in terms of the miring, haziness. We're not going to deep end. We want to take the surface, the dead old skin, I would say, what's inside the lacquer, and then refine it once again. But nothing crazy. It's all classic car, so we're going to preserve it. That's the main thing here: preserve and protect. Couple of dots. So we just did couple of only 1, 2, 3 passes, and already I can tell I need much more compounder. It's really thick skin. So we need much more compounder and cut it a little bit more, a little bit longer, and will come beautifully. So what is really important for peace of mind, to take the measurement, the thickness, the tester, coating, yeah. So we press it on, and we'll see where we are in terms of the thickness. So we got 214. We got 237, so it's really uneven. As an old car, 220. So it's quite thick, but once again, what we're doing here, we're preserving and protecting. We don't go for perfection in terms of, because it's old car, okay? Main thing, I just want to show you one more thing, what we do. As you see here, it's much more flat, yeah. It's a bit darker on the left-hand side, what was before, okay? And when we're moving to right, it's less scratches, it's much more sharper, so we're going to, again, refine this paint, but be really careful how much we're taking off, as we know it's really old car. So you see before and after. And we do this multiple times, but very slow process. We take our time. Guys, we finished this Ford Sierra, and now it's time in terms of polishing. We did that, so now it's time to seal this car with a ultra high definition wax. So what we're going to do, we're going to seal it, and it's really important in this type of paint because this is old school paint. I much rather prefer to wax this car instead of put ceramic coating because it's one stage paint on a car. So what we're going to do, wax it and seal it. Our work, our polishing, wax it, whole car we wax it, and we leave this, I would say you can use it, I mean, you can leave it even 24 hours, that's no problem. But main thing is to do little film, okay? Not overcoat it, just slightly little film all over the car. I would say in terms of ceramic coating, I would put on a glass, but rest of the car, we do it with a high definition wax. And I think will come beautifully once this wax dry. How you know is ready to go? You just point the finger on a paint, and once it's come off nicely and will dry, I would say if you're in a rush, after 20-30 minutes, you take this off. Okay, you pull the finger and you will see it's dry, and you can buff it off with your microfiber towel. Guys, we finished this gorgeous project with the Ford Cosworth Sierra 1986. In terms of the panels and polishing and seal it with the wax, came pop out the color and came beautifully, I would say. In terms of the polishing, was really, I wouldn't say was straight or easy work in terms of the old car, because you see on a parts they get really clogged up even with a couple of passes with all oxidation paint on top of it. I mean, I call it dirt, literally it's like dead old skin. So we multiple times cleaning those parts and go back and forwards, back and forwards, back and forwards. Did take us a couple of days to do this, and now I think the results speak for themselves. It came beautifully, it's stunning, and main thing is preserve and protect. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it, and see you with the next one. Guys, I just want to mention before we go, we launched new product, Eric's Auto Styling Plush Pro drying towel. You can get them in our studio in Beckenham. At the moment, obviously in the future I can ship it to you, but if you're interested for really good drying and premium product, please come visit us, and I'm happy to serve you with amazing product.